I was just coming back from a walk and thinking about the 3 reasons why I think that so many people do not get the results that they want and expect from their personal growth and healing process. There are 3 reasons. My name is Deb Blum, and I'm the founder of The Whole Soul Way, which is a transformational journey for women to help them to get the results that they want, to do the inner healing work, to experience the liberation, the freedom, the fulfillment, the emotional depth that they're longing for in their relationships, to stop being as emotionally reactive. That's what we do. So the first reason is because they try to do it alone. Now, that doesn't mean you have to hire somebody, but you best find people who can be mentors and guides along the way, people who have more of what you want. We want to be working with those people. Don't do it all by yourself. Yes, podcasts and journaling and all kinds of things can be helpful, but you really do need to have other people who have already walked the path. The second one, step-by-step information, processes, programs, courses, because everyone is out there saying, like, you need more self-love, you need to do inner child work, you have to do shadow work, it's like there's a million things, right? But how many people can actually tell you step by step, can actually ask you the right questions to get you to be able to do that work, to teach you the right expansive perspective shifting lessons that help you to shift out of the way you think now into new ways of thinking, to find the underlying stuff that's causing us to think the way we do and healing there. You have to have a process and step-by-step instructions. The third is a community. Most of our issues that we have are relational. And when you're in a community, you get the chance to be able to experience being with other people, practicing, understanding what it is that how other people trigger us, how we trigger other people, and how we navigate that. And I create a very safe container within the Whole Soul Way program for that. So in the Whole Soul Way program, which we're launching a live cohort September, if you're interested, go to thewholesoulway.com/program or send me a message or post below. I will get you the deets. It's going to be awesome for only 10 women. When we do that, there's one-on-one time with me. There's a specific program, 6 modules plus a nervous system module, and there's the group container. And I guide you all the way through, and women are getting freaking amazing results. Amazing. It's a process that you will do for the rest of your life as you go on this journey, but it will show you exactly how.